Yo guys, what up? My name is Richard Bukowski and this is my bike check. Right, okay, so starting off from the top, I got Stranger Quan grips with the Stranger bar ends. I've got Federal Stevie Churchill bars. I cut them down to 28.5 inches wide. I got Subrosa hold tight stem, I think, front load. Headset, I don't know, it works, it does its job, it works. No dust cover because I haven't had one for like the past 2 years. I've got salt forks, don't know why, I'm trying to upgrade them soon. Frame, I've got ABD frame. I don't know which one it is, but it's an ABD frame. Yeah, whatever, senatour frame. No idea. 21 top tube. I got this frame for free from my mate because my other one cracked, so that's sick. Ruled it down myself, no lacquer or anything, hasn't rusted, so it's cool. Cranks, I've got Amity cranks. Don't know if they're left-hand drive or right-hand drive. I'm running them left-hand drive because, yeah. Sprocket, I've got a, hang on, I've got a stolen Sprocket. Don't know why I'm showing you, you don't want it anyway, it's crap. Yeah, 25 tooth. Pedals, I got two different pedals. I got one duo pedal on the right and an Eclat pedal on the left because my other one broke. Chain, I've got Cole chain. I don't know which one it is again. Sorry for the lack of information, guys, but yeah. You do not want this chain, honestly. The spacers in between the links like break all the time. I've got like 7 missing. I've got a seat clamp. I don't know which one it is again. A seat post. Don't know which one. I think it's a Fit Bike Co. I think. Yeah, got it from my mate as well. I got Demolition Market seat. Nicest seat I've ever had, literally. Apart from the Federal one, which was like extra soft. Right, pegs. Got 4 of them. I don't know which ones again. I think the longer ones are like the animal ones, and then the shorter ones are Salt AM pegs from like Halfords. Right, last of all, wheels. I've got Stevie Churchill tyres. They are holding up sick. I've had them for like the past 7 months, haven't had a puncture once with them. The wheels, I've got 2 Vocal Volt straight rims, halo spokes on both wheels, and a matching Primo hub set, which is a Primo N4FL on the front, oil slick, and on the back I've got a Primo Freemix left-hand drive 9 tooth with both hub guards that come with the hub, and I've got the obviously standard hub guards on the front as well, so yeah.
No one cares.
No, I don't give a fuck.
What nipples you got?
Black ones.
Inner tubes?
Wilkinsons, they rip you off, don't get them. $3.25 a tube. No. Oh yeah, also guys, bottom bracket, 19mm. Don't know which one. It's shit. Don't get bottom bracket. Just run your bike with that one. Honestly, the break after like a month for me. Every single one. PSI 75 PSI on both wheels when I have a pump to check it anyway.
Oh, I'll have one more.
Hi guys.
Rest
Hope
in
you
peace.
liked it. Basically, if you missed any of it, then part list will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever. Follow me on Instagram, which is going to be, my name's going to pop up here. Hopefully here anyway. Follow the guy on the camera, Matthew White. His Instagram's going to be here. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Peace.